Stupid, most of them are kickbacks, insertion in the coffers of the people without receipts should abolish resolution number. Yeah. The moment I stand up, the moment we stand up, automatic yun. Abolish yung resolution number 10. Abolish yun. Imagine tayo lang mag-abolish nun, di sila, no? Yan. Sigurado yan, abolish yung resolution 10. Karoon ng death penalty, abolish yung resolution 10. Sarado Congress, yan eh. Ano pa gusto niya? Yung VAT, 12, 6% na lang. Pa-implement natin. Sino angas? Ba? Sino maangas na ayaw? Pa-firing squad sa Luneta. Lintik na yan. 12% VAT, gawin natin 6% lang. Kinampute ko eh. Bali wala eh, 400 billion. Kasi we're earning about 800 billion